Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a surprise happy mail here from Hilda, and let me just get into it. And this was so unexpected. Hilda, I see you, girl. Thank you so much. You never have to do any of this, but when you do, it's such an awesome blessing. Thank you so much. And you guys are going to be seeing this video around Easter time. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, that's so cute. Let me get the box out of the way. And we can open, I guess we can open this little one. It says Eileen. How cute. Thank you so much, Hilda. I hope you're all having a wonderful Easter and you're all safe and enjoying your family members. This is so cute. Oh. Wow, she packaged really good. This is really nice. Thank you so much. It's a shot glass. Aw, look at the Hello Kitty. Look at the Hello Kitty. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh, that is too precious. And then she's got beautiful hearts all the way around. Shots, yes. And she got little kitties here. Let's see what she did. Oh boy. Some really cute goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Panda. Those are cute. It's a DJ. Yes, girl. Get your gear on. Oh no, is it a DJ? It's a gamer. That's so cute. Thank you so much, Hilda. Oh my gosh. Look at that cat. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see what his name is. Is it on here? I hope it says. What's your name? It just says purple. Okay, but that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Does she light up? Does she make a sound? Nope. She's just a Care Bear. Care Bears. Thank you so much, Hilda. And then look at this beautiful journal. Oh, she made one along with us. And then she also put 2023. Look at these. These little pink beads. I like them. They feel like silicone. Are they silicone, girlfriend? Let me know. That is so adorable. Then she has this die cut here. It says Believe. This gorgeous girl here. This is the sticker or something. Ephemera piece. And then she used this beautiful trim. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. Hilda, thank you. So I guess she made this along with us when we were making the flip book. And guess what? She won my flip book. That is so fun. Oh my God. Thank you, Hilda, for sharing with me what you created. This is amazing. Look at what she did. How cute. She's got a gold doily and a rose ephemera piece. She used the tag for a tuck spot. And it says special day. And then you open this up and this beautiful butterfly. Look at how cute. Special day. Look at this paper. I believe this is a digital collection. Look at all the roses. Oh my gosh, Hilda. You are amazing, girlfriend. Thank you so very much. Look at these sunflowers. You know, I'm in Kansas and it is the state of the sunflower, or sunflower state. So beautiful. Some more roses. Another butterfly. How cute. Yellow roses. My mother's favorite rose. My grandmother. I should just say my maternal grandmother, right? That's what I should say. I do love these pockets. Oh my gosh, Hilda. That is adorable. I have a pocket die, but it's not this shape. You see how this shape is right here? I wonder, let me know. What die is this? Because I love that shape. So very pretty. Thank you so much for sharing your goodies with us. And then she made a pocket with this envelope here. She tucked in some roses and another butterfly. How cute. And then inside the pocket or the envelope, it says, I just want to make nice things. That is so true, right? Don't we all? And she's got a little note. It says, a dream is a wish your heart makes. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. How cute. And then she has a side pocket. How cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, it just pulls out like this. I guess you could put your journaling, yeah, and your photo up here. Oh my gosh, that is so, so pretty. A kiss to build a dream on. That is beautiful. I even love the back here. How beautiful is this? And she's used her trim for a pull. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and then she's got some little tags, some dainty tags. Look at that, little caterpillar on the flower. Look, this tuck spot is gorgeous. I love how she did that. Oh my gosh, Hilda, you outdid me. That is so beautiful. I love it. And then she put a little, ooh, this is a journal. Ooh, look at that pocket she made with the freaking trim. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. Even with the flower in there, that is gorgeous. And she stained the papers. Look at the bunny. Oh, oh, let life surprise you. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. This adorable journal. Oh, there's another one. And look at the mushrooms. How beautiful, Hilda. This is so inspiring, girlfriend. So she had it tucked in here. And, oh, in the belly band. Oh, that was so smart. I was like, how does she have that tucked in there? But that is so smart. I love what you did there. Oh my gosh, I love that idea. And then she used some stickers from Dollar Tree. Look at this ribbon. So, so pretty. And then she has another tag here as a tuck spot. Good things take time. And she stamped on this. Oh, that is a smart idea. Oh my gosh. She stamped on the ticket and then she stained it. And there's a few tickets on here. Very cute. Oh my gosh, Hilda. That is gorgeous. And then she has a tag. Dreams do come true. And I love the back side also. She used some eyelash trim and then a heart in eyelet. Gosh, you guys, the words. This is beautiful, Hilda. I love it. And then she used this full circle. I love that. I love that touch. And it says, what does it say? With love. I was like, what does it say? This is so pretty. An ephemera piece. Just tuck it in there. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, Hilda. This is beautiful. A beautiful little bow up there. And then the back, she added the circle again. And she used that to hold her her trim. So, you know, you could close your little flip book. And then in the bottom it says, made by Miss Valle. Oh my God. That is beautiful. Beautiful job, Hilda. Thank you so, so very much, friend. You did not have to do any of this, but you did, and I love it. This is so beautiful. You did an amazing job. I love everything. Thank you all for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can know when I load new videos or go live. Thanks again, and go check out Hilda's YouTube channel and Instagram. I'll leave her links in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter, everyone. God bless.